Hey Google, set my destination to Touren Taxis, Brussels.
Alright, Turin.
No, cancel that. Navigate to Polestar, Brussels.
Navigating to Stars Music
No,
Brussels.
oh my god. Hey Google, what's the weather like?
Right now in the city of Brussels, it's 19 degrees and cloudy.
When will the sun set tomorrow?
Tomorrow, sunset is at 7:50 p.m.
Are you using AI?
Yes, all the intelligence I have is artificial.
Do you think you're funny?
Being funny is hard. I'm still trying to get the hang of it.
Tell me a joke.
This one will make you giggle or sigh. How do you keep warm in a cold room? You go to the corner because it's always 90 degrees.